So go tell it on the mountain.
14 years ako nagtrabaho bilang isang empleyado. But then, I realized na I am not working for my dream.
Gotta make 'em all believe. Yeah, the darkness is fading, the battle's been raging, the war has already been won. Go tell it on the mountain. Oh, the mountain. Who's gonna be the king? Tearing down all the statues.
Buti na lang, nakilala ko si IM na nagbigay ng magandang opportunity and dito, unti-unting nabuhay ang natutulog naming pangarap.
Down like a phoenix inside, from these ashes I'll rise, to everyone bows beneath.
Ang sabi sa Isaiah chapter 60 verse 22, when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen.
Go tell it on the mountain.
I am Marta Angelo Gibani.
I am Maria Jocelyn Gibani. We are Agents of Hope. We are Team Strong. And I am worldwide.
Who's gonna